Hi, I'm Bob LaRosa. Welcome to Fix My Hog. We're going to take a look at the Road King lighting. Although factory lighting is sufficient, whether it be a Sportster, full dress, Road King, most of the Harley Davidson lighting systems now are halogen. Problem with halogens, they have a tendency to throw off a yellow light. When you jump into an HID, you're dealing with ballasts, you're dealing with igniter boxes, you have to try and hide those components. HID lighting itself has a tendency to give off more of a blue hue on the road itself. Again, factory lighting is sufficient. I myself prefer to upgrade lighting any chance that I get. Kuryakyn has teamed up with Trikes, who is an industry leader in LED technology. LED lighting has a number of benefits over any other conventional type of lighting system, whether it be incandescent, halogen, or HID. They are built to meet military specifications. They do have a rugged, non-yellowing polycarbonate lens. That has two benefits. One, you won't get that yellow shine on the inside of the lens. And two, it's very resistant to road debris and resistant to scratching from cleaning, whether you're cleaning off bugs from a long ride or just mud. If you happen to get caught in the rain, you wind up with some dirt on the lenses. Trikes, Kuryakyn have introduced the Phase 7 bulbs for Harley Davidson. They do offer a plethora of bulbs for everything from dirt bikes to automobiles. Make sure you check them all out, DennisKirk.com. Again, when you go to the website, make sure you enter in your specific model and year for the application you're looking to utilize for bulb upgrades. As far as installation, no matter what you buy, it should be plug and play. You never want to have to cut into your harness in order to do any type of bulb upgrade. You really only need a Phillips screwdriver. The Road King's a fairly friendly product to work with. Phillips on the bottom of the passing lamp housings. Same thing applies to the headlamp. 7-inch, and then your passing lamp bulbs. Kuryakyn teamed up with Trikes to supply us with these great products. The best benefit is that it reduces the amperage draw on the motorcycle's electrical system. For example, a standard low beam headlamp draws about 4.9 amps. This Kuryakyn Trikes Phase 7 LED, 7-inch LED headlamp only utilizes 1.5 amps on low beam. Same applies to high beam. It's about 5.5 amps for a standard halogen. This particular LED only uses 2.3 amps. Another great benefit to LED is lifespan. You'll find a typical LED light assembly will outlast a conventional incandescent light bulb by about 50 times. So the lifespan of LEDs far outweighs the additional cost on initial purchase. There's a bunch of information naturally supplied with the packaged product. There's also a bunch of information available on DennisKirk.com. The website has just tons and tons of links and information available so you can do a little research and pick what fits your application best. Same will apply with the passing lamps. You definitely want to buy something that is plug and play. You don't want to disturb your factory harness. Kuryakyn also supplies an adapter for the older style passing lamps where the connectors in the housing are a different style than the newer ones. As with any product you purchase, make sure you open it up. Make sure you make yourself familiar with the product you're going to install. Always make a dry run. Remove the stock bulb. Make sure the one you're going to replace it with fits into the housing. Make sure it lines up correctly. When you tighten the trim ring and tighten the assembly into the nacelle, make sure it's going to be tight. You don't want the bulb bouncing when the motorcycle's running. When you're installing the 7-inch LED headlamp, another great accessory that's available through Dennis Kirk is the 7-inch headlamp trim ring with an LED halo. Again, do your research. All of these great products are available. DennisKirk.com.